All right, guys, welcome back to Career Outdoors. Hey, for your consideration today, I've just picked up something here. I found this little four-piece lighting and tool combo set at Walmart. Now, this is another thing they had around the holidays, and you know, Walmart, January, February is a great time to pick up on a lot of things they've overstocked on, and you can get stuff there for really, for a really great price. Now, I know people have different opinions about Walmart stuff, and they're not honestly known for being super high quality. However, you can get some stuff that's functional and that can help you get started if you want to just go out and experience the outdoors or get involved in camping or hiking or some different things. So I want to just show this to you. Now, the thing that I like best about this is I think they've got it for sale right now at my local Walmart for $7, which I think is a great price. But if you look at this, it just comes with a couple different lights and a multi-tool. So let me just go ahead and take a look at this here for you. See if we can open this really quick. There we go. All right, so comes in just this plastic box. You got this little multi-tool right here, and it's got sort of a plastic, and it's pretty compact size. It's got some of your typical things that you would expect to see in a multi-tool. There's a little knife. Looks like you've got a screwdriver and a little saw and different things in here. Having a little multi-tool around when you're out of doors is just convenient. It's got a little wire cutter there, and you might think, well, what would you need something like this for? Well, if you're fishing, or if you just need to tie some cord, or you need to wrap some wire around something. There's all kinds of things that you'll be glad you have one of these. So I kind of like these, and I'm glad this little set has one. The next thing here is this light. Now, if you look at this, is kind of just a camp light, and it's something that you'd hang up in a tent, and kind of cool. Comes with a carabiner. There you go. Just hang right up in your tent. This is something I probably wouldn't take backpacking, and I bet if this got thrown around too much, it would probably break. But just for $7, and there's something to be said for stuff that works and that you're not afraid to use, possibly, especially if you're like me and you camp with kids or teenagers. It's nice to have stuff that you don't feel too bad about when they destroy it. So I think that looks pretty good. And this, not for backpacking, but if you were just to drive to a camping spot, maybe set up a base camp, or you have a tent, this would be a great little thing to hang in your tent. So I think that's pretty awesome. Another great feature about this, it comes with batteries. And then you've also got this other little light here that it comes with, which, I think separately you probably find this for, $1 or $2 or $3 separately. But as part of this whole thing with the multi-tool, just for $7, it's something you should probably keep your eye out for, I think. For a lot of us who are on a budget, it's kind of what we got to start out with. When you get into things, you go to some of these higher end things, but just to start, in my opinion, there's no shame in just starting with something that's inexpensive, just to get you out there, just to get you so you're camping or you're having the experience. So I just wanted to point this out for you as a possible little kit, especially where it's potentially at a great deal for you. So go ahead and leave a comment if you've used any of this before, if you've had any problems, or if you've had any success with this kind of thing. So get out to the outdoors. I know it's kind of winter and cold now, but be safe, and thanks for tuning in, and we will talk to you later.